Yeah, my wishes to Alia. Congratulations to the entire team. Alia, very first time when you approached Rajamouli sir, what was your reaction?
Should I tell them the true story? तो actually story बहुत interesting है because I bumped into Rajamouli sir at the airport. He was just coming back from something and I was going to Hyderabad for a shoot and I said, sir, I want to work with you. And he said, you know, he was very gracious and said, yes, I would love to work with you as well. I said, sir, I'll do anything. Just give me a part in your film. I want to work with you. It was a casual meeting. We just, you know, it just happened. And at the end of that, he said, actually, I do have something, but I'm not sure. I wasn't sure whether I should approach you. I'm not sure about your timeline. And I said, I couldn't believe my luck, firstly. I couldn't believe that there was actually something for me. I said, sir, whatever it is, I'll come, I'll meet you. And then, of course, it became more legitimate. We did a Zoom call. Then I went to Hyderabad, and sir took me through the, you know, the film. And as I said, I would do, you know, walk-on part on sir's film because just being a part of his vision and his cinema is, like I said, a dream come true for me. But my reaction was purely like, and he was speaking about the character earlier. He said it's very important for me that you match the character because Sita is very, very loved. And the representation of, you know, the way you portray her on screen, your look, the way you speak, your energy, everything has to be up to the mark because, you know, I have to live up to the audience's visualization and characterization that they already have of her. So I took that very, very seriously and I worked for a year on my lines. I said, so I won't let you down. I think the most scary part was I had to speak in Telugu. I think I managed eventually.
We'll take the chairs, yeah. We'll call for chairs. Yeah, we'll have the chairs. Thank you. So in the meantime, sir, what would you like to say to that response jo abhi mila, sir? Thunderous response.
Yeah, when we get this kind of response, usually we don't respond, no? We just sit and enjoy it fully. The response is what we have been waiting for like almost 3 years now. And just waiting for these kind of moments. We make films for these kind of moments and it is fantastic.
And is it true, sir, that nobody else had seen the trailer aaj se pehle? Because a little birdie told me that. Is it true?
No. I mean, we released it. We had to release it because we were playing in the theaters and some of the images leaked. So we had to play it. But yes, of course, you are the first people to watch it on the big screen.
Yes, we are the first people. We are the lucky ones. We are the chosen ones. Please have a seat, sir. Okay, before I open the house for media interaction, Alia, this one's for you. As I said, ek nari sab pe bhari. You're just killing it in that frame. Jaisi aapki entry hoti hai. What do you have to say on that? And this amazing mix of the crew, the amazing people here on stage.
मैं obviously अपनी खुद की entry के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. But honestly, it's a magical moment for me. It's just being a part of Rajamouli film spectacle. Oh my God! Like I don't think I would have ever expected this to actually come true, and it did. So thank you for that, sir. And yeah, I'm just awaiting now the people's response and waiting for the film to release. I can't, like, after seeing the trailer, I have like fallen off my chair.
Right.
So yeah, I can't wait for the film to release.
Talking about the response, और क्या चाहिए? कुर्ते फड़वाओगे आप यहाँ पे? Like it was mind blowing जो हल्ला गुल्ला हुआ है. You know, it was amazing. Ajay sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, आपके entry पे सर वो special हल्ला गुल्ला वहाँ से हुआ. कौन चिल्ला रहा था? We have some amazing fans here. So what do you have to say about this collaboration?
I'm just very grateful. I mean, क्या कहूँ मैं? बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Love you all too. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसा response मिलता है. Obviously इसी वजह से तो हम काम करते हैं. इसी के लिए तो हम काम करते हैं. So thank you so much.
है ना? हमारे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ.
बाद में अकेले में मिलना.
तब सटकेगी भी और रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा. एनटीआर जूनियर साहब, जय एनटीआर.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What do you have to say about this response? और सर ऐसा हिंदी फिल्मों में सर स्वागत करने की opportunity मैं ले सकता हूँ. I'll take that opportunity of welcoming you here. So what do you have to say, sir?
Well, first of all, thank you so much. As I call him Jakana, yaar. I can't call him Rajmouli. You know, for me, it's Jakana always. So Jakana is this great sculptor. So I don't know, you know, when we started our relationship together a few years ago, I don't know, Jakana just stuck in my head, and it was only Jakana for then, from then. But yeah, you know, as I said, you know, when such trailers come out, you just want to listen to the response rather than say anything about it. And it's my first interaction with the media here. I'm nervous, I'm very nervous. Yeah, first interaction with them. Very nervous, makes me feel I've gone back 20 years again in the industry. Well, looking forward. Thank you so much.
You know, I remember launching the Glimpse, rather, it was a collaboration with PVR and RRR. We were here, Sir was here. He was very humble that day also, और आज भी वैसे ही हाल है. And I had posted a couple of pictures. Sir, उसके बाद मेरे को स्टार वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी. आपका तो मैं कह भी नहीं सकता कहाँ होगा, because your fan following is... I don't have words, sir. What do you have to say to all the fans,
blessed,
sir? यहाँ पे
truly
ये जो बैठे
blessed.
हैं.
Thank you so much, guys. Truly, truly blessed. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Truly blessed.
It's so good to have you all here. Thank you so much. And now it's over to the media. I know आप लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. So shoot.